Have you ever found an old coin and wondered how to make it shine again without damaging it? Before we start cleaning, there's one thing every collector should know. Cleaning a coin can reduce its value if it's rare or collectible. So if you think your coin might be valuable, stop here and get it appraised first. But if you're just cleaning common coins, ones you found in circulation, old piggy banks, or even the car cup holder, this guide is for you. Let's start with the basics. Different coins need different cleaning methods. Copper, silver, steel, and modern alloys all react differently to chemicals and abrasion. Using the wrong method, like hot sauce, cola, or strong acid, can strip off the surface, leaving the coin dull or corroded. So today, I'll walk you through safe, tested ways to clean all types of coins gently, with ingredients you already have at home. Step 1. Preparing the coins. First, give your coins a quick rinse under lukewarm water. This removes surface dust and grit that might scratch the metal during cleaning. Never scrub dry dirt, always rinse first. If your coins are very grimy, soak them in plain distilled water for a few hours. Tap water often contains minerals and chlorine, which can leave marks, so distilled is best if you have it. Step 2. Soapy water method for everyday coins. Fill a small bowl with warm water and add a few drops of mild dish soap. Stir it gently. Drop your coins in and let them soak for 10 to 15 minutes. After soaking, use a soft toothbrush. Baby toothbrushes work perfectly, and lightly brush both sides. Use circular motions and minimal pressure. If you don't have a soft brush, use a cotton swab or microfiber cloth instead. Rinse again with clean water, then pat dry with a towel. Never rub a coin harshly. Even a paper towel can cause micro scratches. Step 3. Vinegar and salt method for copper coins only. If your copper coins, like pennies, are still dark or tarnished, try this. Mix half a cup of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of table salt. Stir until dissolved. Drop the coins in the solution and let them soak for 2 to 5 minutes, no longer. You'll notice the tarnish start to dissolve. Once the shine returns, remove the coins immediately and rinse thoroughly with water. If you leave them in too long, the acid can eat away the surface and erase details. After rinsing, dry them gently with a soft cloth. Do not use apple cider vinegar. It's more acidic and can leave sticky residue. Step 4. Baking soda paste for silver and nickel coins. For coins that are dull or have light tarnish, baking soda works wonders. Make a paste with 1 part water and 2 parts baking soda. Rub the paste gently onto the coin using your fingertips or a soft cloth. Never use a brush. Baking soda is mildly abrasive and can scratch if rubbed too hard. After polishing for about 10 seconds, rinse with water and pat dry. If the coin still looks spotty, repeat once more, but avoid overdoing it. Step 5. Disinfecting coins safely. If you've picked up coins from the ground or a flood-affected area and want to disinfect them, here's what to do. Mix equal parts of water and isopropyl alcohol, at least 70% concentration. Soak the coins for 5 minutes, then rinse and air dry. This removes germs without corroding the metal. Avoid bleach or harsh cleaners. They can react with the metal and leave permanent stains. Special tips for tough cases. If you're dealing with coins that have rust or corrosion, especially steel coins, soak them in a solution of baking soda and hot water for 10 minutes, then gently brush. For silver coins with black tarnish, boiling them in water with baking soda, just as you clean jewelry, can help. But only do this with coins that don't have numismatic value. For coins that survived fire or storm surge and are heavily blackened, a professional conservator or jeweler may be your safest option. Final step, preservation. Once your coins are clean and dry, store them properly. Use coin holders, flips, or small plastic sleeves. Avoid PVC plastics, as they release chemicals that can damage coins over time. Keep them in a cool, dry place, and never handle them with dirty hands. The oils on your fingers can cause spotting. Cleaning coins can be rewarding when done carefully. You'll restore their shine, preserve their surface, and learn more about their history along the way. Just remember, shine doesn't always mean value, and sometimes the best way to protect a rare coin is to leave it just as it is.